Alright, today I got the water lines ran as I just showed from the meter to the house connection. And right now all the lines are pressurized. I just wanted to show you my setup. If I were to do it over again, I'd use the PEX straight sticks instead of the roll because, I mean, this would look a lot nicer, but, you know, that's the way it is. I didn't know this previous. I guess it's common sense, but if I were to do it over again, this would at least be the straight pieces because, you know, it'd look a lot better. But as you can see, I have it shut off to the water softener here. I have it on because the water comes through right here. So it can't go to the softener, but it can go up. You know, I have it running through the hot water heater, but the hot water heater is not connected. I just wanted to make sure everything worked. But then it runs out through the rest of the house right there. Here in the pantry is where it comes from. It goes under the house, runs all the way across the house to like under the shower somewhere, and I have it where it goes under the ground and connects to the water line that runs out to the meter. But I have my 1-inch Schedule 40 PVC coming up. I got a ball valve there that I can turn the water on and off to the house. I have a pressure regulator because we have high pressure out here, and I have it regulated to, I guess, like 40 psi or something. That's what it comes out of the factory as. But this little thing has a gauge on it. That's why I bought this one, so I can get a gauge. But then it runs up, you know, goes over, comes down, and then goes into my little, I don't know, what manifold deal I built. And then it comes back out here, you know, runs through the house, kind of not the most professional way, but, you know, I got a main line, 3/4 inch main line, then my 3/4 inch main line goes over there, and then I have it popped off for each one comes 1/2 inch off that. So I got 1/2 inch running down to where my sink's going to be over here. I also got some just all over the place over here because I'm going to have, you know, water for the shower here and then also water for the bath here. I got my fixtures to put all that in. I still got to do that, but it's all capped, and I wanted to pressurize the system, make sure everything works. Here's the laundry room. I mean, everything's good. I mean, we got pressure, we got water. There's cold, there's hot. I just wanted to get it all going, hook it up, make sure there's no leaks before I start putting sheetrock in here, but we're still gonna have some days that are gonna be freezing, so I'm gonna empty out the system. I have a hose bib right out there. It runs down off the 3/4 main one I have. This is after the shut off. That because I have the hose bib connected to the softener. That way when we wash cars or anything like that, because there's hard water out here, and I just want to, you know, so we got a source outside of, you know, good, clean, softened water. That's the sink hookup. It's just, you know, I just did what I did. It is what it is. It works. I'm excited about that. Coming along here at the house. But there it is. I mean, this is all do-it-yourself. I am no professional. I watched YouTube videos and did some Google research, and this is what I come up with, and it works, you know, so far. I gotta still run the power to the, you know, this is turned off and everything, but I still gotta run the power to the water heater. You know, I gotta hook the water softener up, throw some salt in it, plug it in, do all that. But like I said, I just wanted to make sure that everything worked. You know, I used the cinch ones instead of the compression ones because after reading, I mean, these hold up longer, I guess. A lot of people use these and then they use the plastic 90s and T's and stuff like that, but I just figured if I use these brass ones or whatever they are, that they're going to last a lot longer than plastic. So I just tried to, you know, do it one and done. That way I'm not having any problems down the line. But that's the water system. I got it hooked up. We got running water here, but I'm going to shut it off. That way I can put all my sheetrock in and all that. And plus we're having, you know, a couple more days of freezing, and I don't have this thing hooked up yet. So I'm going to empty the lines, but I just wanted to make sure that they work, and they do. Everything holds pressure. I'm excited. You know, This is just a video to show you that you can do anything you put your mind to, man or woman. It's not all that hard. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this helps anybody doing it themselves or anything. If you got any questions, feel free to, comment down there, subscribe, because I'm going to put the rest of the videos that I do of the house up. Yep, we're coming along. We'll see what she looks like here after a couple of months of, well, I don't know. I'm trying to finish this thing, so hopefully less than a couple of months, but, I got a lot to do. It's a big old house. Well, kind of big. I don't know. All right, thanks for watching, guys.